Hey everybody, this is Anthony, and today we have a box. Let's see what's in it. Okay, so this box is from FriendlyArm, and this is the first that I know of in the US. So here we have some antennas, USB thing, USB wire, power supply, some styrofoam. That's it. This is the main attraction. Maybe. Hello. There we go. This is the FriendlyArm, the FriendlyArm SOM-RK3399, the system on a module, and this is the development board. This whole kit is the dev kit. Yeah. And let's see, what else did we get? We got the USB UART adapter, a USB-C cable, what it looked like. Let's find out for sure. Yeah, there's our UART to USB, our antennas, and yep, that's USB Type-C, and their 12-volt power supply. This is the same one for the Nano PC T4, and I can't wait to go plug this in and start testing it out. Anyways, stay tuned to the channel for more videos on this board and more. Bye.